Hello, Colin Hopkins here with Key Renter Salt Lake Property Management. Today I want to give you a quick update on the rental market. Won't dive too deep into anything, but just a quick update. On the sales side of things, we're up year over year about 5% as an average or a median home sales price. The peak for home values in Utah hit back in 2020, as it did in many areas. We had a low of about $490,000 as our median sales price. The high was $535,000 in that 2022 peak, dropped down to $490,000. Today we're sitting about $516,000, so we're about halfway back to where we were in 2022. I would expect those trends to continue on an upward basis, especially with the interest rates coming down as they are, and with Fed recent announcement to lower rates. That's what I would expect to see in home values, is this continued climb back up. On the rental side of things, rents are typically lagging behind the sales market. It's not as volatile. So this year we did see a decrease year over year in rent prices. It's about 1 to 1.5% depending on your area, which is great that it was only that. We should expect this to maintain for probably a year, maybe two, and it will then increase again. Part of the reason why we've had this slight drop, if you can call it that, 1%, it really isn't that much, is because of new inventory. There's been a lot of lease to builds. There's been a lot of 3-story townhomes or apartment communities coming available that have been in the works for many years that are now available, and people are trying to fill those. And due to this increase in market competition, we're actually seeing more and more people offering move-in incentives up to 1, even sometimes 2 months free upon move-in. So take that into consideration if you have a vacancy going on. You want to be competitive and make sure that you get somebody into the home so that you can maintain your rental income, as well as you make sure you're as profitable as possible. And then as we see in the future, we should see rent prices continue to go back up as the sales market has gone up. We also have another effect of these mortgage or interest rates being so high that we are seeing a decrease in new starting development for construction. There's been a lot less going on in that world, which means probably in 2 to 3, maybe 4 years, we will have another shortage of rental properties available. So we should see rents going up again in the long picture. If we look back to 2020, we're still, even with the 1% drop, we're about 30% higher on rent prices today than we were just 4.5 years ago. So rents, I would expect Utah to continue to be a great place to invest. Home values are going to go up again. Rent prices have dropped. I would expect them to maintain for a while at this 1% drop, maybe another 0.5% drop, which equates to about $50 on most people's rent prices. And then we should see those go up, do the normal 2 to 3% increases year over year. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you more about it in detail, or if you have any concerns, feel free to reach out to us, team at Key Renter Salt Lake. You can always reach us there. Thanks again, and have a great day.